Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I did pick up some hair from a company called Julia Hair. If you guys check the info box below, I will have all the information on the hair that I have located there. So I did pick up their Malaysian Curly bundles, and I did receive 3 bundles in the closure in the lengths 222, a 20, and an 18-inch closure, which is this right here. However, in this video, I will not be using this closure. Okay, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. But before we get started, here's my hair. Yes, very dirty, very dry. I apologize, you guys. I just took out my dookie braids, and this is the aftermath. But I am going to go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair, and this is afterwards. I don't know why my video is looking so light right now. I think it's because of my light colored shirt. It completely changed the contrast of the video, but you guys try to look past it. I apologize, but yeah. So right now my hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned. I do have a wash routine coming up, so if you guys want to see it, make sure you guys give this video a like, and I'll get it out to you guys soon. But here is my hair, all nice and shrunken, and I have no product in my hair whatsoever. You don't want to add any moisturizer or oil to your hair at this step, because when you add the gels, and here's the gels I'm going to be using, it's going to turn your hair white, and you don't want that. You don't want your hair to have like that white buildup residue looking, mess. So don't add any moisturizer to your hair, just apply your gels. So on the back of my head, I'm using my Eco Styler black castor flaxseed gel, and it's mainly because I don't really like that gel, so I kind of want to just be done with it. So I'm using that in the back of my hair, and I'm just applying the gel to small sections, and I'm making sure that I'm getting my roots, because I don't know about you guys, but with my hair, if I just apply gel on the outer portions, my roots will be all extra puffy and my hair won't look right. So I'm just using small sections, and I'm just applying the gel throughout, and I'm kind of raking my fingers through it, not really focusing on getting any definition or anything like that, because we are going to put our hair in a big braid. But if you want to, you can use a Denman brush and really work that gel in there, but I didn't, and it worked perfectly fine. But again, I'm just applying that Eco Styler gel, making sure that I get it all over my roots so that it can lay down at nice and flat and not be too like puffy and bulky looking. And although I am applying the scrunchie through each section, I am removing the scrunchie and then just retying up my hair. I don't know, but yeah, I'm making another ponytail. But now that I'm at the very front of my head, I'm now going to start to use my Wetline Extreme Gel, and this is the only gel that works for me as far as creating definition. Now, I don't like using this gel when I'm doing a wash and go, because it does get pretty hard and flaky. But when I'm doing a ponytail, if I want my hair to wave up and look nice and sleek, I love the Wetline Extreme Gel. It works so good on my hair. So that's what I'm going to use towards the front of my hair. Right now, you want to make sure you get that part pretty straight. I don't know why, but whenever I make parts in the front of my head, I don't know if it's because I'm looking through the mirror, but my parts are never straight. But you really want to align it with your nose, and then you'll see that it gets straight after that point. But yeah, I'm going to continue applying the gel, and I'm using a lot of the gel, a good hefty amount, to allow my hair to get really slick and lay down flat. And as you guys can see, like, them waves are starting to pop, and yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and continue applying my gel, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a hard brush and just really go in and brush the hairs really flat so that it's nice and sleek and shiny, and then form a ponytail, and I'll see you guys with the next step. So now that we have a little puff, I'm just going to take my water bottle and just spray down my ends, because my hair dries really fast. so it kind of turned into like a little afro, but I sprayed it down with a little bit of water, and now I'm just taking a moisturizer. And the reason why my hair is turning white is because it's mixing with that gel that I added to my ends. So that's the reason why I say don't add anything to your hair when you're applying the gel, because that is what's going to happen. But we're not going to be showing our ponytail, so it was what it was, but I just went ahead and did like this giant, little braid. I'm sorry guys, it's hard to braid an afro, but we're going to work with what we have. So now I'm taking my Main Choice Edge Freezing Gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and just slick down my baby hairs and make them look nice. I actually don't prefer this gel on my baby hairs because this gel really does flake, especially if you use too much of it. But again, I have it, so I don't want it to go to waste, so that's what I'm using today. However, if you guys are in a rush and you're going to work, you're going to school, whatever, probably just use the Wet Line Extreme Gel, because I don't really have an issue with that gel flaking or turning white or anything like that. So yeah. So now that we did that, you're going to go ahead and take your scarf and just wrap up your hair. Allow it to sit for about 10-15 minutes to encourage those waves to pop. And yeah, see you guys once it's set. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and take our hair. Now this is my Malaysian Curly hair from Julia Hair, and I've already washed it within their bundles, and it's so soft and so pretty, and look at it. I went ahead and I unraveled my longest length, which is the 22-inch length, and I'm going to use 2 of the bundles for my ponytail. If you want a more lighter, natural looking appearance, just use 1 bundle. But I was a little afraid that my thick little ponytail was going to poke out, so that's the reason why I used 2 bundles. But here's my hair. You see the waves are nice and popping, and my hair is really nice and shiny, and baby hairs are laid. But to form my ponytail, you're going to go ahead and take your first bundle, and I'm just pulling a small strand of hair out, and you're going to wrap that around your ponytail firstly. Okay, just continue to wrap it around itself. This is going to make sure that the hair stays nice and secure. You can also bobby pin it down, but I find that when you just wrap that first initial strand around your ponytail, it is pretty secure and it's not going anywhere, and it's actually kind of a headache to take it down, but it's going to stay, and that's all that matters. So I'm going to continue to wrap the bundle around itself, making sure that I pull it with each time I go around my ponytail. And then once you get to the end of the ponytail, again, you're going to take another strand of the hair and wrap it around and then secure it down with the bobby pin. So this is what one of the bundles looks like, and as you guys can see, it looks very natural. But again, I was afraid that my little braid was going to show through because my hair is just so thick. So I'm going to use the second bundle and do the same process again, starting off with that first initial strand of hair, wrapping it around my ponytail very tightly, and then going in the opposite direction, wrapping around the rest of the hair until you reach the very end. You're going to take another bit of that hair towards the end, and then just wrap it around your bundle to secure it in place, and then finish it off with a bobby pin, and pretty much you'll be good to go. So here is the final look. You can go through the ponytail with either a paddle brush or a comb to add some volume to make your ponytail look thicker, but I went ahead and I kept it as is, and it doesn't really match with my hair texture. However, nobody probably will be able to tell, or at least they probably won't be really looking, because again, this is just a quick little protective style, and in my opinion, it looks really good. It's really quick. You don't have to worry about slapping on the wig. This is a really quick, cute little style, and the hair is absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful. But I will be making a wig using this hair as well as a closure, so if you guys want to see that, be sure to stay tuned. I'll get that video up pretty soon. However, again, here is what this ponytail is looking like, and it's super suitable for the fall time and the winter time. And again, like I said before, it's really quick. So again, you guys do check out Julia Hair. Again, I have all the information left in the info box below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Now you be the only one I see.